Hi everybody, Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters. I'd like to present to you a 2015 Itasca Sunstar in a 36Y. This is a fabulous coach and very interesting floor plan that I haven't seen many like. Let's take a look inside. So the first thing you got to notice entering this coach is the big kitchen area with the island built in. So we're sliding out over here on this side, and that enables us to have this big island kitchen. And across from the island I have a really big window. So if you've got a view in camp and you're in the kitchen and you're prepping and you're doing the dinner, and you got that nice view going out. A very, very long couch, so good room for sitting across from the entertainment center here in the coach. And lots of vinyl, so not a lot of carpet in this coach in the living area, so easy to keep clean. This TV does go up and down if you want to have the window instead of the TV. So nice table and chairs with an extendable table there if you want to have more people. And then this one does have the overbed, so power overhead bed. Here's your access key on off and up and down for the overhead bed. I like the ultra leather feel in these chairs. They've done a really nice job here with built-in recliner for comfort going down the road and armrest for the passenger and the driver. So good view with the panoramic window up front. And this has got a little pull-back table here if I want to play with the laptop or get out the old-fashioned maps, whatever I want to do there. Stereo system here with the built-in DVD player for your entertainment setup. And then it's got the backup cameras, of course, there. And hydraulic level up with an automatic feature, so when you get to camp you can just set that real nice. Give you a nice firm foundation underneath. So this one comes with overhead fans to keep the window defrosted, and it's got standard sun visors flip down to keep the sun out of your eyes. Nice, nice. Back in the back of the coach, we're going to find a behind the door bathroom with access into the bedroom as well. Corner mount potty, so that gives you good room for the potty. And then a nice wraparound shower door for a good roomy shower. The sink is in the bathroom on this coach. So your hot and cold water here. And then we have a little overhead vanity storage. So water pump, you can turn the water pump on here. And they do a little hanging closet in there in the bathroom. This has a false wall behind it. So I believe you could add a washer and dryer on this one if you chose to have a washer and dryer. And then what do we have here? Oh yeah, there's your plumbing right in there. So hot and cold water if you wanted to add that washer and dryer. Uh-oh. Bedroom TV. This is kind of a space age application there. So you want bedroom TV, flip that lever, down it comes. I love the way that TV comes down out of the roof and out of the way. So great closet space, hanging closet, access, and we've got 3 sets of doors on that one, and then some nice built-in drawers here. And there's 6 of those down below, so that you're going to get everything in here. Walk around queen bed with good room on this side, and another little storage cubby on this side of the bed. More cabinetry storage, and you could do maybe some more little knickknacks up here as well. So it's built with a radius roof line, so it kind of has a little curve to it. Doesn't make it feel like the roof is coming in on you. Let's take a look outside. If you can step back and take a look at the side of the coach, this is a full body paint coach, so it just has an excellent look to it. And you've got the dark tinted windows to the sides, so it gives you a little bit of privacy inside during the daytime. It's a power awning, push button, so extension on that awning is easy with the aluminum cover over the fabric. And then what do we have for storage? Uh-oh, surprise! And we have an outdoor TV. Well, that one might need a little bath, but that's going to come up. Flip up and out if you want to watch TV. I think we need to give it a bath. with more storage underneath. And just excellent storage boxes. And that one's got a water tank over it, but still great storage underneath there. Let me show you these up here too, because we do have more storage boxes here. So great room. Now if you look, that goes back in there. That's a long box over, and there's a smaller box in front here. And then same thing here. And that accesses all the way to the other side of the coach. So around the back, a little more storage there. And then we have a hookup area for all your water hookup. And then your black tank flush hookup, and the gray and the black valves for dumping the waste. Here we got more storage. I like that exterior battery disconnect too. So you've got your interior battery disconnect switch, but the exterior battery disconnect is just going to be that much safer. And then in this little box, we've got a bank of 4 batteries in there. So you're going to have plenty of power. And then this is access to that storage. Oh, reaching all the way. And then more storage. So storage, storage, and more storage. Bring the whole kitchen sink with you when you go camping. On your slide outs, you have the awning topper covers, so easy to break camp when you're all done. You're bringing that slide in, the debris is going to fall off instead of you having to be up there sweeping it off. Again, a 2015 Sunstar here at Guarantee RV Supercenters. My name is Jeff Wilson. If you're interested in this one or any other pre-owned coaches we might have, please give me a call.